To check the Zoom version, follow these straightforward steps, which are the same for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux on desktop, and Android and iOS on mobile. On desktop, start by opening and logging into the Zoom application. Then check the profile picture to access application options. Next, click on Help and select About Zoom. The currently installed version will appear. On mobile, open and sign into the Zoom application. Tap the three dots menu, and in the Other section, tap About to find the version. The Zoom version is displayed in a 3-digit format, with the first digit representing a major release, the second digit representing a minor release, and the third digit representing a patch release. To check if you have the latest version, visit the Zoom website and compare it with the version you found earlier. If the first digit on the website is higher than yours, you are at least one major release out of date. If only the second digit is higher, you are at least one minor release out of date. To compare versions, go to the Zoom website, scroll down to the Download section, select the Zoom variant you use, and look for the gray number next to the blue Download button, which represents the latest Zoom version. Additionally, if you are using the Zoom desktop client, check whether the version is a 32-bit, 64-bit, or ARM client, as Zoom desktop clients are distinct for each desktop processor type. Checking the Zoom version is a simple process that can be completed in a few easy steps.